Hello, I'm Tom Booker, Senior Instructor with Broadway Family Karate. Thank you for joining me. This video is over Bo Kumitachi. We'll be naming each skill as we go. We'll have a look at this from the front, we'll have a look at this from the side, and then we'll have a look at it working with a partner. This is intended to be done with a partner. There's a striking section, there is a blocking section. We'll be looking at both. All right, let's begin. Now, for the striking section, starting here in middle guard position, overhead strike, upward strike, overhead strike, side strike, upward diagonal strike, upward diagonal strike, low strike, and then double hand thrust. Now for the defender's portion of this, the blocker's portion of this, what we have is upward block, downward block, upward block, side block, high side block, low block, and then outside to inside block. Now let's take a look at that from the side. Again, we're starting here, middle guard position. Move back here. Overhead strike, upward strike, overhead strike, side strike, upward diagonal strike, low strike, double hand thrust. And then the defender's portion, upward block, downward block, upward block, side block, high side block, low block, and then outside to inside block. All right, now let's have a look at this with a partner. Again, we're going to go through slowly. We are going to name each skill. All right, Ms. McCollum. We're going to start off. Ms. McConnell will be doing the strikes, I'll be doing the blocks, and Ms. McConnell is going to name her strikes.
Downward strike, upward strike, downward strike, side strike, upward diagonal strike, low strike, double hand thrust.
All right, now I will be doing the strikes, and Ms. McConnell will be naming the blocks.
Upward block, downward block, upward block, side block, high side block, low block, outside to inside block.
Thank you, Ms. McConnell. And that is Bo Kumitachi. We're looking at it from the front, we've looked at it from the side. We're working with it carefully with a partner, naming each skill as we go. I can't do something properly if I don't know what it is. Sometimes it's very clear what a skill is, other times it's a little less clear. Something like that outside to inside block, for example. knowing the name is going to help me to work effectively with that one. Thank you for joining me.